Hey guys, I'm creating this video to give you a few tips and tricks on how to make citing really easy for both you and your students, because we know citing's never fun and nobody wants to be caught out plagiarizing work. So what I've got is a helpful hint on how to use Google Docs to cite work from the internet, and also a nice little extension for your Google Chrome that you can use. So let me just do a little screen share. Okay, so what I've got here, it's just a Google Doc that I've already got open just to show you what we're going to do here. The first thing is I've got a little extension here called Cite This For Me, and you can just get this from the Google Chrome store. Now, this is a really excellent tool because basically it will cite anything on the web in APA, Chicago, Harvard, or MLA style. For instance, I mean, it'll even cite my Google Doc page right now. So any website you go to on the internet, okay, you just need to click Cite This Page, and you can get the italic print there, and that's what you need, and you can pop that straight into your Google Doc. Simple as that. Another couple tips is, let's say your students are doing a research project on maybe like the Ming Dynasty or something like that. So what a lot of kids do, and I find what happens with my students is, you can see I've already been onto this one, they'll find like a really good bit of information from a web page, but then they forget where they get it from. So let's say that someone's just gone straight and got this little quote here, and they put that into their Google Doc where they're doing their writing, and they've forgotten where they got it from. Well, what you can do, and it's also just a really easy way of referencing it, is you can highlight that bit of text that you know you've got. You can go to the tools up in the top toolbar here and go research. And what that's going to do is it's going to search the whole web for where that direct quote came from. So you can see the web pages come straight up there. Now, if I hover my mouse above that website, it'll say cite for me. So all I need to do, and at the moment you can see I've got it set to MLA style. I can also change that to APA in Chicago. Okay, all I need to do is press cite, and I'll make this text bigger for you so you guys can see. But next to the citation, you'll notice I've got a little number 1 there. Basically, that's saying that I've got it cited as a footer at the bottom of the page. So when you do it this way, it will always create the citation down at the bottom of the page. It's also really useful if you're reading some of your students' work and you can actually tell that they in fact have been plagiarizing and it's not their work. And so you can just highlight the text straight away and you can go straight to the web page and see where they've actually plagiarized it from. So it's helpful for them to reference and get things right. It's also more encouraging for them to go out and source more different web pages and articles and journal articles. But it's also a really easy way for you to sort of catch the kids out if they have been plagiarizing, which is not what we want them to do. Anyway, I hope that was helpful for you, and hopefully you guys can use that at some point. Thank you.